This place is filled with brain power.
You get to work on different problems every day. You never get bored.
We have some crazy, intelligent, funny folks who work here, and that's what makes it worth coming in every day.
Lexmark was actually my third internship while I was in undergrad, and by far it was the best that I've had. I felt that I can grow more here.
We've got people that travel to the Philippines, they travel to Tokyo, they travel to Australia, they travel to Brazil, they travel to China, all over Europe.
That's one of the best parts about working at Lexmark is we own our technology, so we directly impact the design and basically what the end customer sees. And that's been a big rewarding experience. In fact, that's really why I've enjoyed working here so much, is there's so much of your own personality and passion that goes into your products.
Lexmark has a unique, very, very unique environment. It gives engineers a lot of freedom, so you could create a lot of things.
You have challenging projects that you get to work on and interact across engineering discipline, I think is pretty cool.
It doesn't matter what background you come from, whether it's software, electrical, even chemical. We have a lot of different talent here, a lot of different levels of education.
I'm an electrical engineer, but I have the opportunity to learn things outside of electrical engineering. We work with firmware, we work with software, we work with the mechanical team.
So we have something called the Technical Rotation Program, TRP for short. You rotate between 3 different groups, and it's pretty much 8 months at a time.
What's really nice about that program is you have choices offered to you, and you have options for where ultimately you're going to end up for each of those 8-month rotations.
The good thing about it is that it's rotation. It's not a final placement until you get to the end and you choose that.
Lexmark provides an opportunity for you to grow. You charter your own career. I think that is very important.
There's just so much information and ideas to glean from each other that it's just a wealth of information here to learn from everybody.
All these different technologies, you can just walk down the hall and see all this sophisticated gear that it's being used to pretty much revolutionize what we're doing in the printer market and even beyond that, right?
And Lexington has like the best of everything. It's small in a sense where you feel like you can feel a sense of community, but it's not too small to where you feel like you live in a small town.
You don't have to go far from downtown Lexington to really see huge horse farms. You still got that closeness to nature.
Bourbon and breweries, and it's awesome. They're here. It's still a college town.
I've never worked anywhere else that I have loved more than this job and this company and the people that work here.
We have unlimited vacation. It's just beautiful, and it's not a gimmick, it's not a trick.
I get to set my own work-life balance, and that flexibility that comes with it is very important to me.
You just can't get a better environment to work in that has flexibility to leave early if I need to.
I don't think you'll find a company in this area or in many areas that has the flexibility that Lexmark has.
We give back a lot to the community in which we live and work. So we have a lot of volunteer opportunities. We get to work with Habitat for Humanity, build a house every single year. I joke a lot about the fact that you could pretty much live here if you needed to. The food here is amazing. I'm a big food person, so I'll bring that up.
Even just on a normal day-to-day, I mean, the potlucks and the snacks and things that we have, and just the friendships, being able to work with people that you really feel are your friends.
The big things about working here, right, are the fact that we own our designs. That's huge to me, and the people we work with. I mean, it gives me a reason to come to work every day and have a smile on my face, and that's what it's about.
It doesn't matter if you are a senior person or you are a more junior person, just join Lexmark. Every person's opinion counts. Everybody got a say to the project he's working on. So that's a good thing about Lexmark.